So hi my friends and the seniors, welcome back in my channel guys. This video is gonna be very interesting video because today you can see where I am. It is just raining guys. You also see me on the breeze. I always make videos, but today guys we can't make videos on the rain, on the breeze, because you can see near and there everywhere it's just raining. But guys, don't worry, I am here under the breeze and I am now making the video, and it is the way that from I came under the breeze, and it is a very interesting thing guys. And with this movement, another thing also very interesting. Yes guys, this video is gonna be the storytelling video. Yes, you listen right, the storytelling video again, but this story is very famous story also you can say. And also the story's name is the Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Yes, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. The story is very interesting story, and I also know that every one of my subscribers, and I am also a very big fan of the Gopal's cartoon. I also spend my childhood, and now also when I get some moment, I watch the Gopal's cartoon. And it is also very interesting and funny comedy. And now guys, today I will tell you another story of Gopal's life, that what happened in the season of Hilsa fish with Gopal. And also the story is very interesting, I will say again and again. So let's start the story. It was the season of the Hilsa fish. Everywhere the fishermen, they could talk about only the Hilsa fish, and also all of the householders, they got mad after listening the rate of the Hilsa fish, because it obvious it was the season of the Hilsa fish. For this, for the better sale, the fishermen, they just rise down the Hilsa fish thing, and it is a very big thing, because we also know Hilsa fish is very costly fish, and I think it is the king of all of the fish. So it is the matter guys, and it is also very tasty, but I don't like it because in the Hilsa fish there are lots of bones, small bones that bit me a little bit. So guys, let's start the story. As I tell you, it is the season of the Hilsa fish. Every householder, they just gone mad after hearing the rate of the Hilsa fish. And as I tell you, they are near in the market, in the house, everywhere only Hilsa fish, Hilsa fish, Hilsa fish. And even also the palace of the king, means the court, all of the courtier, they just they said that, hey, did you know the Hilsa fish rate, what is the Hilsa fish rate? And also they just talked and they discussed about that thing. And also one of them, they just asked the king that, hey king, did you know the rate of the Hilsa fish is just rise down? And then the king also just forgot his temper, and the king shouted out loudly that, hey, don't you have any another topic to discuss? Why only the Hilsa fish? And then everyone just got silent. Then the king just explained smoothly that, I am sorry, I forgot my temper, because it is the day of the Hilsa fish. Everyone just discussed about the Hilsa fish, and also Gopal, even Gopal also can't stop anyone to talk, to discuss about the Hilsa fish. And then Gopal also was there. Then Gopal said loudly, my majesty, you are wrong, I can stop everyone. And then the king also very happy, because he knew that Gopal can do something only. And then the king just challenged Gopal, okay Gopal, I just challenge you that if you buy a Hilsa fish, and then if you brought the Hilsa fish to my palace, to from the market, and in the way of your journey, if anyone also say anything, then your challenge will end. And but if you can bring the Hilsa fish, if you can give me the Hilsa fish, but if anyone did not say anything, then you will win the challenge, and then Gopal also accepted the challenge. And then after 2 or 3 months later, when Gopal's beard just grew up, then one day the day come in which day Gopal will do the challenge, in which day Gopal will complete the challenge. And in that moment, Gopal just half shaved his mouth. And Gopal also wore the clothes. That was the ridiculous fashion. And then after wearing that type of dresses, Gopal just smeared the ashes all over his body. And then Gopal's wife just asked Gopal that, hey Gopal, where are you going? And then Gopal replied that I am going to buy hilcha fish, Tata. And then Gopal went to the market. Like you can think for a challenge how a person just go down. It is the Gopal. And then in the market also, everyone was shocked after observing Gopal. Everyone knew that it was Gopal, but wow, everyone just said that Gopal gone mad, Gopal gone mad. Everyone just focused on Gopal dresses, Gopal fashion. But meanwhile, Gopal also brought a very big hilcha fish, and he started his journey to from the market to the palace. And then the people also who saw Gopal, they just focused on Gopal clothes, no one on the Gopal fish. And then it was the gaming part. And then Gopal reached the main gate of the palace. And then Gopal just as about to touch the gate, two guards stopped Gopal. And they said that you can't go in. It is the palace of the king. You are a normal person. You can't go. And then Gopal just explained it that no, please let me go. I have a work with the king. And then the guards, they did not agree with the Gopal. And then Gopal just started dancing. He just started go doing something. He just started singing loudly and also dancing in the middle of the road. And at that time also the king heard about the noises from the gate, and he ordered his guard to just let him come, means let the Gopal come in. And then everyone was shocked that what happened to Gopal, why Gopal just wore the ridiculous fashion. And then Gopal just said to the king that, hey king, did you forget something? And then the king said, what I forget? And then Gopal just showed the hilcha fish in his hand to the king. And then he said, 3 or 4 months ago, you just gave me a challenge to buy the hilcha fish from the market, and if no one just could say anything about my hilcha fish, and now I am here. From the way to the from the market to the palace, I just came, and no any person also that thought about my hilcha fish. And then the king also laughed and laughed because the king also understand the smartness of Gopal. And also I think everyone, all of you also understand what was the plan of Gopal. Gopal wore the ridiculous fashion. That's why no one just focused in the hilcha fish. Everyone focused just went in Gopal fashion. And then the story also ended. The king just laughed, and then the king rewarded Gopal with a number of gold medals. So guys, it is the thing. It is the story. And also this story just teaches us that we think impossible. Everything is impossible. I can't do it. Then you are wrong, guys. Just try it, otherwise you can't. Like Gopal, smartness, use your smartness. What are we doing for a work? We just do hard work. But no guys, hard work is important, but with smart work. If you just use your smartness in a work with your hard work, then it will be great. Otherwise you can't. So this thing I want to say to everyone, like Gopal, do this work, and then you can see the results everywhere. Just use your smartness something also, then you can do. So guys, this story is in, I think that everyone learned a number of things from the story. And this thing I wanna say to everyone, bye bye guys. Subscribe our channel for this type of more storytelling videos, this type of more teachable videos, teachable English videos. So bye bye, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. To a great mind, nothing is little.